In this video, you'll learn how to add Google reviews to Webflow, a process that can enhance your website with authentic customer feedback and build trust with your audience. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you through the entire process seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to shapo.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the option labeled Testimonials. This will take you to a section where you can manage and import testimonials, which are essentially your Google reviews. Next, look for the Import Testimonials button and give it a click. This will open up options for different platforms. Since we're focusing on Google reviews, click on the Google option. This will allow you to import reviews directly from Google, ensuring that your Webflow site reflects genuine customer experiences. Now, it's time to type in your business name exactly as it appears on Google. This accuracy is crucial because Google reviews are tied to your business profile. After entering your business name, click Search. A list of businesses will appear based on your search query. Carefully go through the list and select your business by clicking on it. After selecting your business, click Fetch Reviews. This action will retrieve all available Google reviews associated with your business. Take a moment to review them and decide which ones you want to showcase on your site. Once you've made your selections, click Import Reviews. This step will bring the reviews into the Shapo platform where you can make further edits if needed. If you want to make any edits to the testimonials, click on Edit Testimonial. This is where you can tweak the content to better fit the design and tone of your Webflow site. Once you're satisfied with the edits, the next step is to copy the link provided by Shapo that contains your imported testimonials. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to webflow.com. Sign in if you haven't already, and select the site where you want to add your Google reviews. After selecting your site, look for the Add Element button on the left side. Click on it to open the Elements panel. In the Elements panel, search for Code Embed and click on it. The Code Embed element allows you to paste external code or links into your Webflow project, integrating the testimonials seamlessly with your design. Now, paste the link you copied from Shapo. However, it's important to note that embedding code like this requires a paid Webflow plan. If you haven't upgraded yet, you'll need to do so to complete this integration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added Google reviews to your Webflow site, enhancing its credibility and appeal. This process not only boosts your site's trustworthiness, but also provides visitors with genuine insights into your business from previous customers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.